I joined this class literally just to support my partner who is a Makai, but I found it really touching. I've cried nearly since being here. It's day 3 and I've already cried today. I've learned so much, as in the way that the Makai speak to each other. I've learned a lot about different words, and I also wanted to learn how to speak to you know, whaiwhi owls when you see them, or even some Makais, big Makais, because sometimes I stand there and I don't say anything and I look like a real idiot. But I'm learning what to say to them when they first come up. Yeah, enjoying it, awesome session.
When I first heard of this class, I was super happy because le look for some. I also made a singer there. Koe whamanas. Koe sa inisisi. I don't know, to learn more and to be able to speak it better. And to set an example for my kids as well. I want them to learn and to know who they are, and to have their mom doing it, it'll be, you know, they'll look up to me and make me feel proud that I am doing something worth it for myself and for them as well.
It's a challenge for me, and I recommend anyone out there that you know, that wants to learn their culture. I recommend you do this class. It's great. It's a great opportunity for those that are raised by a single parent, like myself, that doesn't have a father figure. This class is for you. Believe me or not, you'll come out with 110%. You feel good by yourself, and you feel very proud. Thank you.
Because my dad has always wanted us to learn that stuff, and because of Makai, I guess it's really helpful. And now I get to understand a bit of everything and what everyone's talking about now at Alabama. I was really nervous about coming here, but since being here, I love the program, I love everything, and although my Hassan was not good, it caters for everyone. They speak English and that, really understand it.
I do mean it. Never would I tell you a dream and not believe it.